Removing soap scum and minerals from surfaces usually involves acid cleaners, which are hazardous to workers and to the surfaces themselves. But that's not the case with DESCUM, non-acid soap scum remover and Renovator, packed with detergents, emulsifiers, penetrants, chelating agents, and soil suspending aids. DESCUM dissolves soap scum without caustics or abrasives. DESCUM is ideal for restroom and shower room maintenance. Use on sinks, fixtures, counters, and shower surfaces. The free rinsing formula does not leave a residue. And when mineral deposits build up on terrazzo or marble floors, DESCUM brings back the original beauty.